guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and delicious homemade chai tea. Also, an added bonus, an added perk, it's a little bit healthier than those chai tea lattes that we so easily chugged down from Starbucks in college. Since we're older now and heading into our 30s, I'm talking about myself, but for everyone looking for a healthier recipe for chai tea, I'm going to show you a really awesome one. It makes about 2 to 4 cups, so you could have some with friends, and it's really easy. So to get things started, I have my water boiling here on my electric Kasori kettle. The electric kettle makes it super easy. It boils your water in about 5 minutes. So since I'm going to be blending this with a really awesome kind of mixture with some almond milk, it's great to have my water boil really super fast. So chai tea, if you ask for a chai tea in India, it's actually just your standard tea. It would be like going to Dunkin' Donuts and being like, can I have a tea with milk and sugar? Chai is their standard tea in India because they have these added spices in it. It's kind of over here that we made it super special and kind of glorious to have, and we do that by jazzing up a black tea. So we have to have time for our black tea to fully steep while we prepare our almond milk mixture that we're going to blend in. There's a million ways to make chai tea. I know there's more authentic ways, and I also know that there's ways to make chai tea from concentrate, but this is my recipe. It's really easy, and we love easy, let's face it. So we have our boiling water here, and we're just going to add it to our regular black tea and allow that to steep on our counter as we make our milk mixture. So you want to boil about 2 cups of water. Like I mentioned, that gets you about 2 to 4 glasses depending on your mug size, and get your black tea steeping away. So I'm using almond milk for this recipe to make it a little bit healthier, but you can use any type of milk that you want, and you just want to warm it stovetop. You don't want to bring it to a boil or anything, but just warm it because we're going to add it eventually to our steeping black tea. Then it's time to add our delicious spices. We have half a teaspoon of ginger and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We have 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and then a full teaspoon of this delicious spice that you might have heard of or you might not have, that I absolutely love. It's glorious. Cardamom. It's awesome. This mix is great. And then we're going to whisk it into our warm milk. And you're just going to want to whisk it until it's really nice and blended. And the more you whisk, you might actually get a little bit of like a foam going. So remember, we're saving calories. This isn't a full-blown latte, but it might have that effect. Once you have your 2 cups of almond milk or milk fully warmed and whisked together, we're then just going to add it to our tea. So you're going to want to add about an equal amount of your chai mixture into your black tea. Look how good I'm doing this backwards. You all better put some clap signs down there or something for that. And then there you have it. You have yourself a delicious, homemade, healthier chai tea latte. It tastes delicious. It smells delicious. It screams fall. It has about, I don't even know how many less calories, but it's certainly less than that latte. And you made it for yourself at home. You might have these ingredients already in your cabinet, but I'll tell you what, if you buy them, they will last you a whole season because you're not using that much of them. So even going out and buying the spices, you'll save money on those lattes. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. If you love my kettle, look at the link below. It is awesome. It boils water in 5 minutes, and it's something great to have in your kitchen. The link's down there. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.